how cool would that be?
Yeah, it'll be fun. It's gonna be amazing.
It's gonna be cool.
Somebody to love.
We all put in a lot of hard work to the Crosstones, and I also like to believe that we get a lot back in return. Just a really great thing to do at college. It's not only fun, but it's also a great way to connect with people. It's a great way to learn about myself and to learn about my friends.
When you step into the room and everyone's so energetic and screaming and yelling and singing, and sometimes it's a lot of energy to deal with, but it's just really fun to be around everyone and kind of feed off of the happy energy. Superstition ain't the way. And I just get so much joy out of this group. They're some of my best friends at the school, some of my best friends in general are in the Crosstones, so the things that I reap from this group are really kind of endless.
I knew from the get-go that we were going to do Sleep by Alan Stone, and so they asked us to audition. They asked all the guys to audition, because it's a male solo. So they had all the guys audition, and then we had a close-eye vote, and I guess they chose me. The very last note is actually the highest note, and I always get very scared to do that last note. So when that last note comes out and you hear the applause, it feels like such a big relief. It's like, at the same time, it feels like when you get off stage, you're like, oh, I still want to be here though. I still want to sing. I don't want to get off stage.
It's putting in more than just the time. Like, it's like if you care about the group and you care about the music that you're singing and you care about the actual like words and that you're singing, and like going from that day one when everyone's stumbling over a note flight to the like final performance when all of it comes together and it just like lingers in the air, like that last note, like that's what I get out of it. That's like the most amazing feeling. And I just got lost in the music.
What I really bring to the Crosstones is an energy and passion and love for the music, the people, just a lot of love for everything that I'm doing there. And I think I get that back as well. I think the group has definitely been the backbone of my great experiences at Bates. Preparing to perform is always a lot of fun for me because whenever I go out to perform, I always get more energized. I think other people being there is very exciting. It's an opportunity for us to show them what we've been working on, how great we are, and how like this beautiful thing that we can do for them. I think that was the real moment when I realized that this is going to be like an experience that would stay with me for the rest of my life.